Hello guys, and welcome to our new vlog. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you for stopping by.
What kind of spring is this cold? Good job.
I told you.
This is so long. It's a Costco day.
On the park.
That one we can buy, that makes sense.
Okay.
Do you want to also grab the other set?
I don't think we need one like this.
Okay.
Like, but these ones are actually literally breaking at home.
Yeah.
Look at those plates.
Don't break anything. Of the other plates we have, so if they were a different color, I would love them.
Yeah, the gray.
They're so similar to the other ones we have. Honestly, I think I like the green ones. Honey, I like the green ones, just in case.
They don't have green.
They do. Here it is.
You know what? You're gonna have to put all
Not being fancy, honey. If you have all these things, you buy them, you have to use them.
Yeah, I guess. I do buy a lot.
You don't buy them to just sit at home. I like the brown one. How about you?
Yeah, of course you like the brown one.
I'll get this one then.
Hey, Adrian.
Careful. Thank you. Is it cute? No, you like it. And that's the only thing is that, what do you think? We should do that?
Do we have green? Feels like we have.
Yeah, we have all these other colors, even including white. Elliot wants those.
Honey, we're so far away from having something like that.
We can just have it set it up.
I hear you.
Whenever he
We're
can
still
go,
so far away.
whenever he can go outside, he can just go and enjoy it.
We also have to level the ground. I told you there's a lot of work that goes in that. It's just
Let's do one meat. If we do that, we do it. Let's.
Make those ribs, honey. Big ribs.
Yeah, I know. If we make ribs, we make ribs. If we make lamb, we make lamb. Okay, we can have lamb.
Another night.
We can
$6 off ain't bad.
Let's buy the lamb and have lamb on Monday. Tomorrow. I'm saying Mondays if it's far away.
Okay.
Cool.
Different.
Yeah, we all eat it together as a family. You don't want it?
I'm just talking.
Thank you.
That'll be our dessert.
Yeah.
You ate all my cookie butter cups last time.
Yeah. I'm so confused right now. I want to try the pistachio, but then I know the cookie ones is really nice. So which one do you want us to get? You can't have both.
I was looking. These are.
It's too much sugar for us.
But these are good for like 2 more weeks.
Okay, then let's keep both.
You don't have to eat all of them. They're both good for 2 weeks.
Okay. This time around, we'll try the margaritas. Last time we had the mimosa, and now we're having.
See?
Do you want to have some pickles?
As soon as it was halfway in my mouth, I could taste the butter pickles.
Or 6?
12.
Oh, okay. Better.
Yeah.
We are done. Our weekly groceries are done. We are heading home. We couldn't buy our favorite sandwiches today because we are both not feeling hungry. So it's just nice when it's fresh. It's not something you can buy and take it home to enjoy it. It's like sandwich where you need to buy and just have it right away so you can enjoy it. So our next stop is going to be Walmart. After Walmart, we are going home and going to try and clean as much as we can, especially doing it as a team so that during the week I don't have it hard. So during the week I don't have it hard, I have it easier. Yeah guys, stay tuned. You're supposed to put everything in there, makes it easier. Let me move this out of your way. Oh, you put it in the front. It is a Walmart. Do you know what we're looking for? And I'm putting on the baby carrier now. That we bought here at Walmart. Obviously not this Walmart.
songs on top of the hours. So I guess you kind of just gotta force it.
Crazy.
Yeah, I did it in his room. You get used to.
Room is going to look nice. Then the final touches. The paint looks perfect, though. It looks great.
You're saying this room? This room? He means your bed? What are you talking about?
It's just a mess right now. It's
That's not wrong. Fuck it.
Don't say fuck you. You're supposed to at least take it off before you.
It's already stuck.
this is the final look. I think they did a good job. Guys, I need to clean this room. That is just an Alexa for this room there. And I need to clean and put everything together, make it look nice. And yeah, everything is a mess. Elliot. Oh god. To me.
Do it to the fullest, right?
You guys are so adventurous. Don't destroy the flower, please.
I had to say, but great. That was a good fucking idea. I don't even want to tell you.
We are busy in this house. Great job. You're not scared it's going to hit you?
Uh-oh. Is video recording now?
Yeah. I'm asking, are you not scared it's going to hit you in your head? Are you not scared it's going to hit you in your head? Okay. Great job.
Put it up there. Put it up there.
That is great.
Right?
Oh, I'm the one that's putting it
Oh,
in.
no. Oh, well, yeah, you might as well put it on there, too.
I'm scared.
Yeah, I know, but it ain't gonna hurt you. Just don't put your hand where the chainsaw is.
Ready?
Yes. Yeah, go where it's thin at. And, just work it like a saw. I don't know what happened.
Watch your hand.
Watch for it. Watch your hands. Not put your hands up here. Back up some.
It's heavy.
You gotta hold it.
Great job. se pensa, se pensa. What a productive day. Just all I want to say.
How are you? Dinner time.
Beef
What
ribs.
you doing sleeping, man? What do you mean, huh?
Hey, my gums are hurting me. I had to sleep.
Gums are hurting you.
Dinner time.